Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to redirect Windows 11 search bar result to Google search engine. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I am going to search on Windows 11 search bar how to set up printer, and now hit enter. By default, the search results come from Microsoft Bing search engine. I'm going to redirect this search result to Google search engine. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on extensions. Now click on manage extensions. You will find here Chrome Web Store. Click on Chrome Web Store. In the search the store box, type Chrome Tana. Chrome Tana. Click on Chrome Tana. And here you will find an extension named Chrome Tana. Now click on Chrome Tana extension and click on Get option to install the Chrome Tana extension. It's checking. Click on Allow. And now click on Add extension. Now a different tab will be opened, and here you will find two search engines. One is Google search engine and another one is Yahoo search engine. You may select any one from these two. I'm going to select Google search engine. So click on Google icon. The Google search engine is added as default search engine for Windows 11 search bar. Now close your browser. Again, I'm going to search something to Windows 11 search bar. How to set up printer. Now click on how to set up printer. Now look, the search results come from Google search engine. And now this Google search engine is default search engine for Windows 11 search bar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.